We are arguing where to build our little garden. How many times we are in a situation when we don't agree with our partner? Honestly, many times, especially if you work together a lot. And sometimes a small disagreement can lead to a big fight. So, how to find an agreement with our partner? Well, forcing our partner into an agreement doesn't help, even if we try harder. The more we force our partner into an agreement, the more he will fight back for his freedom. And freedom is very important in a relationship. If we can't force or pursue our partner into an agreement, what else can we do? First, we have to accept that we are different. We have different views on the same things, and we have to respect that. It's nothing wrong with having a different opinion. Actually, that is where the creation for a better solutions can start. Two people with different opinions have the potential to find a much better solution together. That is called co-creation. The challenge of co-creating is to find a solution that feels good to both of the partners. Mattia and me always talk about our different ideas, and then we find, without a compromise, a solution that feels good to both of us. If we don't find a solution immediately, we wait for inspiration. The key to finding an agreement with your partner is to respect your different perspective on things and always looking for a solution that feels good to both of you. That kind of solution always exists. You just have to look for it. It helps if you believe that there is a solution for everything. Always.
Dobro sva tole naredila, ne?
Meni se tudi zdi.
Prav pozicionirani.
Da si zaslužila petko.
Ja.